How to list your property on booking.com. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to discuss about listing your property on booking.com. So now let's get started. You can follow the steps on the booking.com application, or you can also directly go to the website, that is booking.com. Now, once on the homepage, make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, if you're using the application, tap on My Account in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you do that, scroll down and here you will see the option of list your property under manage your property option. Tap on it. Click on list your property again and you will be directed to the Google Chrome web browser. Sign into your specific account. Now you will be taken to a new screen. Choose the type of property you want to list, such as apartment, homes, hotels, etc. For this example, we'll select apartment. Now you need to specify whether you want to list a single apartment or multiple apartments. Then click on continue. After this process, you will go through several steps to provide the essential information about your property, including its location, size, amenities, and other features that may attract your guest. You will also need to enter your payment information to set up bookings. So after completing all the necessary steps, your property will be successfully listed on booking.com and available to the travelers seeking accommodations. So this was all about it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.